Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. How is everyone doing, man? I hope everybody is doing well. In today's video, we have two big boxes to open. We're gonna start off with this one right here. It's a pretty big package. It weighs a lot, so I'm assuming we got some pretty good stuff in there. So without any further ado, let's get it popping. Let's go. Y'all see the tape, man. Puma, Puma, Puma. Every now and then I do get a few sneakers here and there from Puma, but it's never a huge box like this, and it's not two huge boxes. So that just means that we have some goodies in here. I can't wait to see what we have. All right, let's get it. I see shoe boxes. Oh my goodness. Yo, we got a lot of shoes in here, and it looks like we have a letter. Let's see what we got. As bold, fast, and captivating as the 911 Turbo itself, Puma and Porsche partnered to launch a limited edition of shoes inspired by the 8 generations of the Porsche 911 Turbo. To celebrate the legacy of the 8 generations of the Porsche 911 Turbo, we worked with Porsche to create a unique, loud, fast, and captivating collection. Only 500 pairs per unique sneaker design have been produced, and you have been chosen to enjoy the feeling of wearing them. Wow. Shout out to the Puma team for sending these over. I'm excited to look at these. It looks like we have maybe 4 or 5 sneakers in here, maybe a little bit more. So without any further ado, let's just start pulling boxes out. Check this thing out, man. 911 Turbo box, crazy. So it looks like we have a bunch of Porsche collaboration shoes here. You guys already heard in the letter, there's 500 of each of these colorways. Oh, we got something else. More letters, a little pamphlet. This thing is fire. This is gonna be a perfect display piece. Hi Alex, I hope you and your family are good. Enjoy the new Porsche Legacy 911 Icons of Fast collection. The collection will be launched on the 17th of November, and you are the first person to have it on your feet. Okay, thank you. Beautiful handwriting, by the way, whoever wrote this. Anyways, let's take a look at the shoes, the 911 Turbos. Let's go. Packaging on point, has the Porsche logo all over it. Let's see what we got for the first shoe. Oh, oh, okay. I like these. Here we go, y'all, introducing the Puma and Porsche collaboration, and these are the future riders. I really like how Puma decided to incorporate a different variety of materials. The Porsche logo right here, super fire, and my favorite part about this has to be the tongue with the embroidery saying Turbo. This is a beautiful shoe. Look at that. Now we still have a bunch of shoes to unbox, so let's just keep this rolling here. All of these are nice and individually wrapped up. Oh, this colorway is sick too. This is a red colorway. Oh my goodness. That hit on the midsole. I think pairing these with a nice pair of tapered jeans, that would just complete the fit right there. These are growing on me, man. Bro, it feels like Christmas already. Oh my goodness. This is David Got Kicks vibes for show. I love the way everything is incorporated with this sneaker. The color blocking is amazing. The color is amazing. And it even comes with this really nice keychain right here. It says ignition on the left. So here are 9 911s. So each car has its own specific colorway. Here's the back of the pamphlet. It shows the rear of the car. I really like the documentation. In my opinion, it just helps bring everything together. I mean, look at this. That's beautiful right there. Now we got some Speed Cats. This shoe right here just looks like you're about to go racing. When you put on your racing outfit and you need those shoes that are gonna be responsive on the gas pedal, it's like every time you press on that pedal, everything is exactly calculated with this shoe right here. A little more pointy, definitely more of a race inspired shoe versus the other one, they're more of a casual wear. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'd be able to pull these off, but it's still awesome that I'm able to show you guys this crazy stuff that's releasing. Last one in here. Let's do it. Yes. What more can I say? Mwah! Big box number 1 is complete. Now I'm curious to see what is in the other box. Is it apparel? Is it more shoes? This was crazy already, so let's go ahead and crack the other box open. I feel like this box, it feels very dense. It feels like it's packed to the brim. I'm not sure if it's sneakers. It might be apparel, but it's pretty heavy. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh. Looks like we have more shoes. Okay, 3 more pairs of shoes. It looks like we have 3 pairs of Speed Cats, and I believe this is going to be the entire 911 Turbo collection, so I might have to do something special for the B-roll. The simple fact that they sent me every single colorway of this collection is absolutely insane. I would have never believed that. I want to say thank you guys for watching all of these videos. Honestly, can't thank you guys enough. If you guys want any more info on this release, I'll have a link down below in the description to Puma's website. 500 pairs per colorway. To wrap up this video, these are my 2 favorite colorways out of this entire collection. I would also say the third one would have to be the Tiffany one in my opinion, but that's going to wrap it up for me. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate y'all so much. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll see you guys very soon. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.